Libra Horoscope 2021. Subscribe my channel and press notification bell to all if you are new here. According to Libra Horoscope 2021, the year 2021 may prove to be one of the most successful years for you. With the transit of Saturn and Jupiter, placed in squares and trines respectively, the dual energy of planets will enhance the benevolence in your life. Moreover, Saturn will bring stability in your personal life. Additionally, 4th house signifies domestic issues, thus you are likely to feel happiness and peace at home. The year 2021 may be less challenging for you as compared to last year. But you will have to be careful about the health of your mother, as per Libra Yearly Prediction 2021. So, you are advised to have regular health checkups of your mother in order to avoid major health issues. As per the 2021 Libra horoscope, the year 2021 may bring many surprises in your life. However, the astrological prediction in Libra 2021 horoscope says that due to a strong placement of Jupiter in Aquarius and its direct aspect on your zodiac sign, there are chances of a hike in income from the regular source. You can even expect an increment in your present job and a certificate of recognition. Thus, you are likely to be happy to receive both monetary appreciation and recognition, as per Libra Horoscope 2021. In case you are into business, there are chances of increment in your business income. Additionally, you can look for an alternative source to boost your overall business income. The revenue stream will be encouraging to you in the year 2021. Not only this, but the year 2021 is also best if you are opting for higher studies. The transit of Saturn in Capricorn and the transit of Jupiter in the zodiac sign of Aquarius will be encouraging, as per Libra 2021 prediction. However, the effect of planetary transit may differ depending on the other placements of planets in your birth chart. Additionally, this may be the year where you will be able to study hard and even improve your learning skills with better retention. Furthermore, Jupiter transit in Aquarius will improve your creative skills, and if you are taking part in any creative competition, you are likely to do well. You are advised not to be overconfident while taking part in any competition. Libra Finance Horoscope 2021. As per the Libra 2021 Finance Horoscope, the year 2021 may give you financial gains. Moreover, with the support of Jupiter and Saturn, there are chances of an increase in income and a steady decline in expenditure. Moreover, you are likely to be content with the way the two planets will complement your sign to reduce all the unwanted expenditure which you couldn't control for a long time. According to Libra Money Horoscope 2021, you will be happy with the way the progress of income will rise and the reduction of expenditure will improve your savings. In fact, there is a high possibility that the year will be good for you if you are planning to reschedule your investments, as per Libra 2021 Money Horoscope. Also, if you are planning to start investments, it may enhance the steady flow of income, thus, there are chances that the year 2021 may enlighten you with multiple options. With the help of Libra Wealth Horoscope 2021, you may know the right time frame of investments. Just identify the right one and you will be happy to take the decision. Libra Love Horoscope 2021. According to Libra Love and Relationship Horoscope 2021, the year 2021 is likely to be full of surprises for your love life. If single and looking out for an ideal partner, then in the year 2021, you may meet your soulmate. As per the 2021 Libra Love Horoscope, you are likely to spend quality time with your partner and strengthen your bond. Especially from March 2021, there are chances of meeting someone special, either in your social group or at your workplace. The casual meeting that you will share with this person may slowly turn out to be interesting, as you will be surprised to see many qualities of the two are matching with each other. This may lead you to like each other and may even decide to spend more time to understand each other in a better way. According to Libra 2021 Love Horoscope, your communication skills and understanding nature will help you build a strong relationship, thus using it effectively to make your crush notice you. Libra Education Horoscope 2021. Generally, individuals with Libra zodiac signs or children of this sign are very studious and academically oriented. Thus, you may have clarity of academic falls and are also keen to excel in any academic program that they take part in. This may put you on the pedestal of a strong academic foundation and even progress in the walk of academic life. According to Libra Education Horoscope 2021, the year 2021 may also have many surprises for Libra individuals, and this will be in your favor. Especially if you are looking to pursue higher studies in any foreign country, then the year will be supportive in allowing you to pursue the area of interest that you have been dreaming for long. Libra Career Horoscope 2021. As seen in Libra 2021 Career Horoscope predictions, the year 2021 is likely to be special for you. There is a high possibility that you will be successful in your career if you work hard to earn money. But at the same time, you need to take care that the efforts are not diluted. This is the only condition that you will have to keep it in mind. As per Libra Career Horoscope 2021, there are chances that the year may improve your fortune if you are planning to change your career and move to business. However, you will see the results slowly and not suddenly. Therefore, plan your movement in a manner that will bring you some relief. As per Libra Career Horoscope 2021, the year 2021 may be favorable for you and you are likely to find progress in your career. Additionally, if you are planning to start your own enterprise, then there are chances of being successful in executing your plan this year. Especially, if you have any skill that can be applied without much investment in your new enterprise, there are chances that you will be successful this year. All you need is a working laptop and connectivity to the internet and get going. You are likely to be happy with the progress. As per Libra Career Horoscope 2021, this year may take you to a new level in your career. If you have joined a new job, you may slowly move to the new role completely. Slowly success is assured in this line of activity. Libra Health Horoscope 2021. With good health, Libra individuals will be robust in fitness. Food intake is one area that you are very careful about. Libra Health Horoscope 2021 says that in the year 2021, you are likely to overindulge in your diet that may make you overweight. This may also make you sluggish, which you will clearly decide to do over. As per Libra Health Astrology 2021, the aspect of Jupiter upon your sign will make you voracious, and this may be one of the reasons for your poor fitness initially. Thus, towards the middle of the year, you are likely to take charge of your diet and shall be quite careful of your diet intake, as per Libra Health and Fitness Horoscope 2021. Libra Marriage Horoscope 2021. According to Libra 2021 Marriage Horoscope, the year 2021 may be a favorable year for marriage for Libra zodiac sign. However, for a stable married life, you would need the support of Saturn and Jupiter. Fortunately, both the planets are well placed this year that may give you a better fortune to marry and settle down. As per the Libra 2021 marriage predictions, the year will start on a positive note and you may be successful in identifying the right partner. This may also be a wonderful year even if you are dating for long and looking to settle down in your relationship. Libra Love Horoscope 2021 may give you the insights that may help you take the right decision. Thus, the year 2021 may prove to be favorable, and at the end of the year, you may be happy with your achievements.